Hey y'all, so this is my Uber Eats outfit I'm wearing today. Just a flowery tank top, some gray shorts with the little zippers on the side, and some old Nikes, dusty, crusty Nikes. That's good for walking and doing my Uber Eats. So let's get ready to go, you guys. Hey everybody, it's your girl Lavina, and today we're going to go out and do some Uber Eats and see if we can make some shmoney so we can do a little cash stuffing today. I'm going to try to come back live later, but I do want to make some content for today. So we're going to go and get after it. I'm going to head over to Highway 50, and when I get there and cut my app on, I'll be right back. See you guys then. Hey everybody, it's your girl Lavina. I'm at my spot. Hopefully we can catch some Uber Eats today and I can make a little shmoney. So we here on Highway 50, just waiting on some hits to come in. So when one come in, if it's worth taking, I'm gonna bring y'all along with me so we can shop it, okay? Or so we can pick up their food or whatever. I just left Jayden school, y'all. Woo! Going up to them schools, honey. But anyway, we ain't gonna be on no negativity. Not today. No negativity day. No negativity day. It's all about making this shmoney today, and that's what I aim to do, okay? Because I need the money. I need the money. And we gonna make the money today, okay? Because I'm not leaving home. I'm not leaving here until I make at least $50, okay? That's my goal, $50. If I can make more, that's cool. But my goal for this week is $200 by Sunday. And I know I'm gonna make it. $200 by gig working by Sunday, y'all. Alright, so be back if we get a beep. Well, when we get a hit. When we get a hit, okay? Alright. Okay, you guys, we got our first hit for today. It is $12 going 8 miles. I normally don't take stuff like that. I at least want $1 a mile, but I'm going to take it because I need the money. So it's going to, we got to pick up from Panera Bread. So see y'all at Panera Bread. Okay, y'all, let's go get this order from Panera. Pick up this order. Try not to get all the people on here or whatever. Hello, I'm here to pick up an order for Danny. Is that ready? Yes, for Danny M. Got Danny. I didn't even realize, you guys, this was a 2 pickup, so I gotta see what other store, what else I accepted. Always when you're doing these delivery apps, make sure you really look. But I saw that $12 and I just took it. So when y'all doing these delivery apps, make sure you check, because I wasn't even thinking it was a 2 pickup order. So now I gotta go to somewhere else. So I'll see y'all when I get there. Okay, you guys, the second stop was at First Watch. It's a breakfast spot. So I'm gonna run in here and grab this order. All right, let's go pick up Kenneth's order. Hi, I'm gonna pick up for Kenneth.
What's your name, Mama?
Kenneth.
Kenneth.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, you guys, I picked up Danny and Kenneth. Now let's go deliver these people their food. Okay, y'all, the first delivery is 6 miles away, 6.9 miles away. So let's get to it. Okay, y'all, we here at the first drop off. Let's drop off Kenneth food. Oh, look at all them. Look at all that. Look at all them damn things. Gotta walk through. Woo! 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 Goodness gracious. One thing about Florida. Shit. All right, y'all. Let's go drop off Danny, I think his name is. Okay, y'all, let's go deliver Danny food and then get back on it so we can get this order out the way. And then, what? My bad. Get the order out the way. And then go back and try to get some more orders. Oh, man. I can't stand all these plants and stuff. I like plants, but here they come with lizards. All right, y'all. See y'all on the next one. Okay, you guys, we have a pickup for Roy at Dim Sum. So let's go. It was $6.90 something. I'm gonna be posting the orders and the prices and stuff in the videos as I go along. So we at like 18 bucks now. Let's go get it. Uber Eats pickup for Roy. All right, thank you. You have a good day. Oops. Oh. All right, now let's go drop Roy off. I made sure this time it was only one order, y'all. All right. See y'all at the drop off. Okay, y'all, we at Roy house, and on the way, I got offered another delivery for $14 and something, going 8 miles. I hurried up and grabbed it. I don't even know where it's going, but we about to go deliver Roy order, and then we're going to head over to the next delivery. See y'all there. Oh, let me show y'all Roy order. Hold on. All right, on to the next one. See y'all there. Okay, you guys, this is, by the way, the first time I ever made a gig working like Uber Eats, because I'm not doing DoorDash right now. It's no spots available, but it's the first video. Okay, so give me some grace, y'all. We're on our way into Hibachi Express to pick up Chris's order, which is 14 bucks. It was a pretty good order. All right, let's go get it. Hi, a pickup for Chris. Thank you so much. You too. All right, let's go deliver this order. Okay, you guys, we are inside of Chris's development to drop off his food. So we're almost here. I love coming to this community to deliver because it's such, I just be inspired and motivated, y'all. We're gonna be dropping off to Chris. It's a lake back there, y'all. So let's see. His home is up here. That's the same address. Oh, wait. 623. Did I pass it? Oh, I don't know, y'all. Let me let this car go past. I think I might have passed it. Or is it that? 32. Oh, yeah, y'all. It looked like we gotta rewind. Yeah, it's behind us. I was looking on the right. It's on the left. It's right here, you guys. This is where Chris will be getting his delivery. His food. this quick. It's going good. I'm hopeful. I got a few more hours, y'all. I think we're going to definitely hit our goal today. And that's what's up. And then I will be making the cash stuffing video with it. Chris food is delivered. Now we on our way to go get another one. See y'all on the next one. Hey you guys, we just got another hit, a $6 and something order for a customer named Kyle at Five Guys. So let's go in there and get it. Hi, I have a pickup for Kyle.
Just a moment.
So y'all, I was in here. I had went to the bathroom, right? Why this whole man come out the women's bathroom? It kind of weirded me out. Like, what the heck? I don't know if he transgender or what. It just shocked me. I never seen that before. All right, I'm waiting here for the guy's order. Just wanted to tell y'all that. Okay, y'all, we here at Kyle's apartment. Let's go take him his food. Apartment 112. Now, how you get around here? Okay, here goes the sidewalk. Yeah, sometimes they don't give you the gate code. That can be so irritating because then they take all day to even respond back. So, but this time, he did message me with the gate code, and that's always a good thing. So we are at Kyle's apartment. Go ahead and drop him off the food. Here you go. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, y'all. Let's go back and get some more. See y'all on the next stop. Y'all, I took the phone protector, the glass protector off the iPhone. Man, it must have been so crusty and dusty. Look at this picture now. All right, we got another one for $4.50 for 2 miles. I normally don't like to take them low, but I'm trying to, you know, make it all count. So see you guys at Tijuana Flats. Okay, y'all, let's run in Tijuana Flats and pick up the order for Samantha. Look at that. Look how better that camera look. Y'all, I've been slipping. I don't know. So it should be better moving forward, but I definitely got to get another screen protector because, honey, I can't drop this phone and it break. All right, let's see if Samantha's order is ready. Hello, hi, I have a pickup for Samantha. Yes, ma'am. All right, thank you so much. Have a good day. All right, now let's go deliver Samantha, y'all. Oh, look at that, y'all. Oh, my goodness. So let's go deliver Samantha. I am so sorry. I wish I could redo all the other things, but I can't, y'all, because y'all gonna get this video because, you know, it should be better moving forward. I definitely got to get another screen protector because, you know, I record with my phone, y'all. So I can't afford to, you know, mess it up. All right, y'all, let's go drop Samantha off. See y'all at Samantha's house. Okay, you guys, where's Samantha's job? This wasn't a house. This is an apartment building, so let's hope we're at the right location. These little lizards everywhere. How would y'all feel if y'all walked out everywhere and these things just come flying everywhere? Everywhere, y'all. Everywhere. They everywhere. Let's go in here and see if Samantha in here. Hi, I have a delivery for Samantha.
Okay.
Here. Samantha?
Yes.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, y'all, let's go to the next one. What's up, y'all? So we have a $10 and something. Y'all know I'm going to post it below. $10 and something order for Elizabeth at Zaxby's. Let's go get it. Hi, I have a pickup for Elizabeth. Oh, hi, I have a pickup for Elizabeth.
That's right there for you.
Oh.
Mind just signing that sheet for me real quick?
Right here? Okay. They have you sign the sheet here at Zaxby's, so let me go do that. her napkin.
Oh, yeah, 1 second.
Thank you. Yeah, I didn't want to spill it on me. Have a good day. All right, y'all. So let's go deliver to Elizabeth. Yeah, real quick. She was looking all crazy like, you know, you put this people pop up here full of Coca-Cola at the top. Like, you know what I mean? How it be overflowing. Don't have me nothing like that. All right, see y'all when we drop off at Elizabeth. She was looking at me like, okay, you guys, we're at Elizabeth's house. Let's go ahead and drop off her order. Walk across this grass, because I'm not walking all the way around there. Hope there ain't no snakes in here. Okay, let's go ahead and take Elizabeth her order. And go see if we can get another one. I got to be at Home Depot at 5. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up at like 3. Ooh, y'all, look at that. Goodness gracious. How big is that? All right, y'all. Elizabeth got her food. See y'all on the next one. So, hey, you guys. We have a pickup for Roscoe. And unlike the other ones, he bring it to me. See? There he goes. He just delivered me my order. So, we're going to the second pickup. This order was 8 something. And then I had an add-on for 8 7 something or something. I'm gonna leave it in the y'all gonna see it. Y'all gonna see it down there. Okay. This was Carrabba's, by the way. This is Carrabba's. And let's see where else we going. Okay, you guys, let's go do this one at Firehouse Subs, and we picking up for Miss Kate. Pick up for Katie. Katie. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can represent this Firehouse place. Okay, you guys, we have Katie's order now, so let's go deliver it. Okay, y'all, we here at Roscoe House, the Carrabba's order. Let's go drop that off. Ooh, look at them things running everywhere. I cannot stand it. Okay, Roscoe delivered. Let's go do Katie. Hey, you guys, so it looks like we're about to deliver Katie, and she will be my last one. So it looks like we made $67. The tips haven't came in yet. If I know by the time I post this video, then I'll put the tip amount too. But so far, just on regular deliveries, we made $66, $17 over what I expected. Let's go deliver the Katie. Here you go, sir. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So Katie is delivered, you guys. This is the end of my day. I have to get ready and go to Home Depot. So I just want to say, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching one of my videos, y'all. It was the first time I ever recorded doing my Uber Eats and stuff like that, my gig work. So be sure to let me know how I did. What y'all think, thumbs up or thumbs down. See you guys later. Peace.